Hey, I've got a new trick here for you. Look, I got a paper sack. It's empty. A paper cup. I'm going to put it in the sack. But actually, before I put it in the sack, I'm going to squish it down into nothing. Into the sack, snap my fingers, and just like magic, it comes back again whole. How does it do that? Looks like magic to me. What do you think? Wait, I think you probably think you know how it's done. I'll tell you what, let me do it again. I'm going to show you an empty sack, okay? Take the paper cup, squish it down, put it into the sack, snap my fingers, and just like magic, it comes right back to a solid cup again. And the sack is empty. Oh, now figure that one. Wrap your brain around that one. Don't you love it?